lingevinje, 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 icebo lakho, lingevinje, 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 icebo lakho. Baba, Baba, siyabonga, lingevinje, 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 icebo lakho. So, a lot of people have been asking me, guys, to do a tutorial on this song, Lingevinje by Dumem Kokstad. All right. So I'm sorry for taking long, but today I will first break it down in G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Ne? So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching this on TikTok or Facebook, please go to my YouTube channel, Sansama Vestas Piano Seminary, and watch full video of the song. Right. So before any waste of time, our song is too simple. Ne? So it starts right here. I will first break it down in G sharp. Ne? So it starts right here. Lingevinje. This one. Lingevinje. Lingevinje. Icebo lakho. Like you just have to be a little fast, right? So lingevinje. 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 Like lingevinje. Icebo lakho. Alright? Very simple. Lingevinje, 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 icebo lawo lingevinje, 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 icebo lakho. So yeah, this is how it is. So it starts on 1, then it goes to 4, then immediately it goes to 6. From 6 it runs to 5, then it goes to 4, then you finish it on 1. Ne? So it's very simple, like it's very simple, ne? So that part, Baba, Baba, siyabonga, Baba, siyabonga, lingevinje, ne? Okay. Like Baba, like Baba, siyabonga, ne? Like Baba, siyabonga, this one, ne? Baba, siyakubonga. Then immediately lingevinje, like lingevinje, 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 icebo lakho. So yeah, this is how it is. Like 1, but you go up then, eh? Baba, 1, then you go to 4, 1, 5, 4, this one, this 4, eh? Then you go to 3, then you go to 1, then 4, 1, ne? That is how it is. Very simple. Very, 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 very simple. So yeah, before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. So in F sharp is also simple. The like lingevi, lingevi, one. Icebo lakho lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe. Icebo lakho lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe. This one, eh? Icebo lakho lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe. Then very simple. Exactly the way you see it, ne? So that part, Baba Siyabong, is like it starts right here. Like this one. Baba this one, ne? Then, ne? Baba siyakubonga, lingevinjwe, 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 icebo lakho. Then, yeah, it's like Baba. Like Baba siyabonga, Baba siyakubonga, lingevinjwe, lingevinjwe, icebo lakho. So yeah, this is how it is in F sharp. So before you know waste of time, let's go to C sharp. C sharp, ne? Lingevinjwe, 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 icebo lakho lingevinjwe, 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 icebo lakho lingevinjwe. Very simple, ne? So the part that we were playing, it says, then it will come here. Okay, so very simple. Baba, like it has to come here. Baba siyabonga, Baba siyakubonga, icebo lakho lingevinjwe. So thank you so much. I hope you saw it. Please practice it again and again till you get this.